We are in the Worli constituency of Maharashtra right now. Maharashtra elections are going on, and we happen to meet Milind Deora, who is going to take Aditya Thackeray from the Worli constituency. Namaste, sir. Welcome to Organizer Weekly. My first question to you is that why do we want to have a debate with Aditya Thackeray?
See, Aditya Thackeray himself, during the Lok Sabha elections, he said that candidates who are scared to debate, they don't deserve to be in hold public office.
Right.
I have had the opportunity in every election of mine to debate the candidate. Debate, what is it there to be scared of a debate? Should debate in front of the public what you've done for the constituency, for Mumbai, for Maharashtra, for India. What are your views? What are the government's views? What are your party's views? And I challenged Aditya, I invited him. Come and have a debate. What have you done for Worli? What have you done for Mumbai, for Maharashtra? Today, every issue, they are putting a speed breaker. Shinde Saab, who's driving the state, if Maharashtra has a car, Shinde Saab's foot is on the accelerator. Aditya Thackeray's foot is on the brake. Every time he's pushing the brake. So he said, have a debate. He's still refusing.
You're talking about he's putting a brake on the development projects that Shinde Saab is, putting out. So can you please name a few projects like that?
Many projects, biggest port in the country, in Vadhavan opposed it, biggest nuclear power plant in the world, in Konkan opposed it. Mumbai Metro delayed it by 4 years, led to a cost escalation of 14,000 crore
Now he
rupees.
is himself traveling on those metros.
Who's paying for that 14,000 crores? Common person.
Right.
So everything, big park. We want to create a public park, Central Park. CM's idea is create a large, biggest park in India for the public, for people who live in colonies like this. In Mahalakshmi Racecourse, opposing it. Everything opposing. Dharavi giving homes to poor people. 2 lakh people in Dharavi will get homes. 2 lakh people. Each home's cost must be around 50 lakhs to 1 crore rupees. Means almost 2 lakh crore rupees worth of homes in Mumbai are being given to the poor people of Mumbai.
Okay.
Is opposing it. So this speed breaker politics, पॉटहोल की जो राजनीति है, स्पीड ब्रेकर की राजनीति है, वो हमें पूरी तरह से हमेशा के लिए समाप्त करना है.
Okay, since Aditya Thackeray is a grandson of Bala Sahib Thackeray, do you think that somehow he has put a dent on his chavi as well?
See, I think he has. What has happened is, for a chair, they've sacrificed a lot of things, and ultimately, I remember, when I was a young boy, I remember seeing Bala Sahib. He was very close to my father. They were had different views, but very, very close friendship. And I know what Bala Sahib's views were on many issues, especially on taking Maharashtra forward. Bala Sahib genuinely wanted Maharashtra's culture, Maharashtra's language, Maharashtra's theatre, Maharashtra to move forward. He genuinely wanted Maharashtra to retain its spot as the number one economic center of this country. Unfortunately, when you are opposing all those things, you're trying to make Maharashtra move behind, of course you're causing a dent.
Okay, so BJP for this election season has given the slogan of "Batenge to Katenge." Do you endorse that?
See, I think anyone who is trying to divide people on religion or caste deserves to be punished. Today, the Congress used to claim that it's fighting against casteism. Today, Congress has become a casteist party. Very unfortunate. So, dividing people on the basis of caste is very unfortunate. We are all one. We need to work one unitedly as a nation. Thank you.
Last question. Why did you leave Congress Party after so many years?
Long story. Long story.
Small answer will
It's
do.
a pura Ramayan. I'll have to say. Yeah, I said this many months ago. See, we want to do constructive work.
Right.
Today, people who are supporting us are not people who are looking at Congress or Shiv Sena. They are seeing the candidate. Has he done good work? If Aditya in this area had Worli people give him so much love, so much blessings. I can't think of one constituency in Maharashtra where there are 3 MLAs from one party from that assembly, one MP. So much love and affection. Despite that, no work. So people ultimately look at what you've done. Today I'm coming here as a Shiv Sena candidate, as a Shiv Sena MP. They are welcoming me. Earlier I came in a different avatar, but we did work. What counts is work. Work, love for your city, love for your country is number one. वो सर्वोपरि है. उसके बाद पार्टी, उसके बाद सेल्फ. पहले आपको अपने देश को, मुंबई को, महाराष्ट्र को आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए. उसके बाद आपको पार्टी खुद के बारे में सोचना चाहिए। थैंक यू।